morning, friends. I'm Vanessa. I'm here with Sandra, Miss Isabel, Miss Carmen, and our helper Ziki. And today we're going to be making sensory bottles. And you can use any kind of bottles you have at home. The ones we are using, I found these at Big 8, and I like them because they're small and they can fit into the little one's hands. And I like the texture of this bottle because they're not easy to squish.
Okay.
So our first bottle we're going to make is an ocean theme sensory bottle. So first with our bottle, we're going to fill it halfway with water. Hold it, Zeke. Ready? Slowly, slowly. And it's just regular cold water, faucet water. Wait, baby. Okay, we're not done. And then we're going to add a few drops of blue food coloring.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and then we're going to shake it so it's blue. We're also going to add a few drops of glitter to it. Hold on, Ziki. Okay, that's good. Ooh, that looks pretty. Shake it a little. Hold on, Ziki. Okay, now we're going to add baby oil.
Baby.
All the way to the top? Yeah. So the baby oil and water do not mix, so it's going to look kind of cool. So you see it looks half oil, half water, and you can shake it around. And the water and oil will not mix. So that's a cool little thing you can have a conversation with your little ones about. And to this one, we're going to add a fishy sticker because it's an ocean theme. So we're going to add a little Nemo sticker to it. Let's put a sticker back. We'll put it right there. And there's your sensory bottle ocean. And last thing is we're going to glue the top to, we're going to glue it on. That way the kids won't try and open it. And we are using a glue gun, but you can use super glue. I don't think Elmer's glue would work just because of the water. So glue gun or super glue would work.
Santa. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, they're the stars.
Huh?
And there you have your ocean theme sensory bottle, and the kids love it. Zeke loves it, right, Zeke?
Yeah.
Okay. Show them. Shake it. It looks pretty.
Oh.
Oh, wow. So that's one sensory bottle. The next sensory bottle, we're going to be using gel.
Well.
And are we going to fill it with gel?
Yeah.
Well, I think we should put the things in first then. So we're going to use gel and confetti, and there's star confetti. And we're just going to put a few in there. Yeah, that's fine. And we're going to fill it with gel. Ooh. There you go. Let's shake. There you go. Hold on. You want to touch it? I don't know if it's going to fill up in this. Hold on, Ziki.
Put your finger in it.
My finger?
Yeah, see, put your finger in it, babe. So just go. Wait.
Hold on. We're going to put more.
Good job, Ziki. Good job.
Oh, we still need a lot more, huh?
Yeah, that's not even halfway.
Oh, no.
No, that way you know it takes a while. Good thing you got it.
Mm, it smells
Yeah, it does. is about.
Wait, Ziki, not yet. Is that it?
No, it still needs a lot.
Okay, almost there.
Almost there. And you can use whatever you have at home. We use gel because we had it. You can use clear glue, water even. You can even add soap to it.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever you have at your house and you want to experiment, you can do it.
Wait.
Hold on, Ziki.
You gonna help me squeeze?
Ya, se me hace que dejaré de limpiar.
No, look, it still needs more. Just put it right there. It should be alright now.
Well, I don't know. It's not really. I don't know if I like this.
Add some water to it. Échale poquita más. How far does this gel go down? Oh, it's full.
Es full.
It's full.
Oh.
Well, okay. Let's do the next one.
This one didn't quite
Yeah.
come out the way it was
So the
supposed
gel
to.
didn't come out quite what we wanted. Maybe if we do half gel, half water, we can try it again. But, I mean, we're trying things, so let's try this one.
Okay.
This one is just going to be glitter and water.
Okay. Hold on, Zeke, and you can fill it with water?
Aba.
You might have to tighten it because I have to gel all over the hands.
And we're just going to add green glitter.
See if you need more. And you can add as much glitter as you like. You can actually add anything you like.
Shake it.
It needs more.
You think so? 'Cause you should.
My hands are...
No, that's good.
It looks like it's one thing, something else.
Aba.
Ya ves, can I put more?
No, it looks good.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think so. I like it.
Yes.
We just did green
Shake it,
glitter.
baby. Shake it.
We can do another one with this, just water.
What? Here.
It looks pretty, huh?
Yes.
Shake it, Zeke. Shake it.
That gel one did not work.
I know, the gel. So the gel didn't work, so.
O le ponemos el clear. This.
No, mejor con agua. So this is the water. We're going to take off the wrapper. And we're going to add the stars to this one again.
Uh-oh.
Yes. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Yeah, because mine are slippery.
Okay, I think this might work a little better. So now we're just at the water. Oh, we need more water.
More water, my sister. Please, thank you. Hold on, baby.
Or you're going to put it in there?
Look, do you want to add some blue?
Or blue glitter? Yeah, let's add blue glitter.
Look, here. Wait, let me add some more water and then you can shake it, okay? Okay.
We're going to add blue glitter to the stars. Just a little. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on. Ready to shake? Here, Vanessa. I can't. My hands are...
Ya te da de buen chiqui.
So now we just added water, glitter, and confetti, I guess you would call it.
Little stars.
Star confetti.
Yes.
And there you have our sensory bottles.
Ba.
This one looks really cool.
I like that one.
This one, the oil and water, they do not mix.
Aba.
And then show them the star one.
Yes.
And then the glitter one. And there you have your do-it-yourself sensory bottles. And
Have
that is all.
fun, guys.
Have fun. Let us know if you use other stuff.
Send us pictures.
Send us pictures of your activities, and we would really like to hear about it. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.